Hello everyone, this is Utka here for TCS143 and I'm going to tell you how to do the intermediate code generation. So this will be a simple Java program to convert the given arithmetic expression to the three address code. So let me explain you the code. So this is a simple program. Now in this particular program we have allotted the precedence values for each and every each and every variable. So for division the precedence value is 1, for multiplication also 1, and addition subtraction is 2. Now next is a simple function for the static int check precedence, which accepts a string t string argument and returns back its precedence. So for checking the precedence, we take a loop from I equal to 0 to precedence, which is the precedence array dot length, and if the token equal to precedence array, that particular token, then the integer dot pass precedence, the value of the precedence of I, which is that particular element, and dot the next index is 1, which is the precedence value, which can be 1, 2, or as given. So those precedence value will be returned. So in the main function, we have initialized certain tokens: ij, count token, then check process, a boolean variable, a boolean array of check process, and double dimension, the 2D array operators and expression. So we ask the user to enter the enter the expression. So expression is stored in exp. Then we check the process. Now check the we initialize the check process array, all the elements with false value, the boolean array with the false value. Next, what we are going to do is we are going to check the token precedence. Now if if we take a for loop from I equal to 0 to the expression dot length, and another loop will now we initialize token equal to expression dot caret I. Each and every token which we receive from the input will be stored in the variable token. Now another loop is taken from j equal to 0 to precedence dot length, and if the token the particular token which we receive equal to the precedence of that particular token, then the operator of count will be increased will be initialized with token plus null, and the operators of point of 1, the precedence will be given as I plus 1, and opcode will be implemented. Now for loop, if upcount minus 1, I equal to upcount minus 1, I is greater than or equal to 0, and I minus 1 is for loop will be taken, the precedence will be checked. Whoever precedence is greater, then the temporary storage will be taken, and the operator's value will be calculated, and the expression will be calculated. Now next, what we are going to do is we take another for loop from I equal to 0 to the up count, the count which we received, and in the variable j, the integer dot pass int the operator I comma I and I of 1, that particular values integer value will be stored in j. Now if the check process j minus 1 is true, that means if the boolean value is true, what we are going to do is we'll check another thing. We'll check the precedence of the operators, and we'll in a variable known as op1, we'll store that particular expression, that is t plus I. Or else if it is not so, then we'll store t in plus I plus x plus 1 comma space. Or else we'll simply or else it will be expression dot char at j minus 1, the next one, plus space. Now at the last, the system dot println t plus I plus 1 equal to the operator 1, which will be stored, and the operator of I comma 0 plus the operator 2, and the check process values will be initialized with 2. So let me run this code. So enter expression. uh, so let's a plus b plus c. So as you can see, 3 address code, which is t gives a plus b and t2 gives t1 plus c, is generated. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.